Account owners can view and edit the custom questions on the absence registration forms. If you use the Day 1 absence reporting service, you should discuss these requirements with your Honeydew account manager before making any changes. To view your custom questions, open the Administration tab and select Preferences. These settings are under the Script headings because they are intended to be read out to the employee when they call to report or update their absence details. Standard messages for absence registration scripts are pre-formatted and can only be edited in part. Self-medication and GP appointment questions can be toggled on or off. If you choose to use them, they appear on the absence registration form when the reason for the absence is medical. They appear every time until the employee answers yes. If they answer yes to a doctor's appointment, a date will be required. If your company provides an employee assistance program, you can signpost employees to use this service by prompting a message on the absence registration script. Include the EAP phone number and select what reasons for absence should prompt this referral. The message on the form will offer 3 answer options: number given, already has number, or not interested. The next 4 boxes allow you to customize the closing statement on the absence registration form. For real-time absence registration, this should be a short statement of when you expect the absent employee to call back again. If you want to provide employees special information about COVID-19 related absences, you can modify these messages here. For completely bespoke messages and questions, go to Custom Messages. The types of messages you might add here are questions about accidents at work, special instructions about specific types of absences, for example, infectious diseases, or additional questions to capture more details about the absence. It is important that these messages are short and written in plain English. Contact your Honeydew account manager for more information about custom messages.